I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? And I would send them all, I know that it's just nothing, no. My words were cold and bland, and you deserve more than that. Hey guys, what's up, people of the world? This is Migs D, and you're watching the Migs the World channel. Hoping everybody's enjoying the lovely day. And once again, nga pala guys, dumating na yung pangalawang package natin. Alright, okay, yung bago nating cowboy hat. Alright, okay, so pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so yan. Kulay red siya guys, no? Ayan, ganda guys. Diba? Kulay red. Okay. So ayan, tanggalin natin sa plastic. Alright, so makikita nyo guys, no? Ayan, di ba? Hindi siya kasi laki nung unang cowboy hat natin. So I can consider this actually a fashionable cowboy hat, no? Kasi talaga napaka-fashionable, di ba? Kasi kulay red at saka velvet siya guys, no? So ayan yung side niya. Okay. So yung pinakaharap niya guys. And then meron siyang trimmings dito na leather brown trimmings na may maliit na parang belt, no? Ay kita nyo parang belt na trimmings na brown, no? Ayan. So yan yung pinakaloob niya. So actually yung nakuha ko siya nung na-receive ko siya guys, meron pa siyang protective na plastic dito sa loob. So talagang protective yung korte ng hat, no? So may kita nyo guys, meron din ditong lining sa loob. Alright. So yung size nito guys, yung pinaka ano niya, 57 to 58 cm, no? So I'm not sure kung ito yung 57, ito yung size na 58. So i-try na natin guys, no? Alright. So hindi siya ganun ka OA yung laki, no? Tama-tama lang siya, no? Gaya ng sinabi ko, pagka naghanap kayo ng tamang sukat para sa hats, especially kung yung mga gaya nito, mga fashionable cowboy hats, is yung pinakaharap niya dito sa harap, di ba? Yung tamang sukat niya is dapat pagka sinuot nyo nasa eyebrows, no? And then kabilaan 1 finger, and then also dito 1 finger, and of course yung pinakalikod niya guys, cover niya tong buong ulo niyo dito sa likuran, no? So yun yung pinaka tamang sukat, no? So mapapansin nyo guys, yung pinaka rim ng hat is hindi siya ganun kalapad yung rim, no? So masasabi ko nasa 2.5 inches lang yung rim niya. So tama lang siya. Hindi siya OA, no? Since na kulay red siya, uy, bumagay sa ating jersey na Migs de Rulo, no guys? Alright, okay. So ang ganda niya, no? Nakikita nyo, side view. Diba? Galing. Alright. Diba? Alright, okay. So, shout out to everyone. Magandang hapon. And yan yung pangalawang cowboy hat natin na na-receive today. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Shinare ko lang guys. And once again, this is Migs D. And keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam. Thank you.